It beeped.
Hey! Hey, dog!
Chase him, Dad.
Turn the other way, don't run into the sun. Go this way.
Arthur!
Come back. Up over the pile. Go back over the pile again. You lost him there. Now you're going to get animal abuse charges.
Hi, buddy. I am not chasing you. I am not chasing you. Go get him, Axel. He's good and wore out.
All right, dog. Since we had to retake this 3 times, let's go for a little bit more. Come on. Come on.
Get him, Axel. Get him, Axel. Don't step on him.
I thought we had your cowboy gun in there, and that's a bunch of shells. Got the wrong bag.
My cowboy gun.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Okay, Dad, chase him.
Action pistol. What?
Oh.
Chase him.
Chase him?
Not me, the dog.
Oh,
Ow, my neck.
look out! Axel's there!
Stop it, Mom.
No.
Fine.
Okay.
Wow, Dad.
I'm stopping it.